Or less on planet Travel or Earth, how do you know?
It's less. Gravity keeps us down.
Gravity keeps us down on the Earth.
If there's no gravity, something will fail.
Force, energy, and motion is something that is not taught in third grade. Actually, the district does not have that in our plans, but I did teach force, energy, and motion. And so they had learned Newton's 3 laws. Those were some of the kind of skills that I wanted to reinforce and go over in preparation for this exam and just to keep fresh in their mind as well. Definitely, I see a huge improvement, and it also makes them feel comfortable to tackle word problems because all of those problems in one station were word problems. He is pulling with a force of 72 newtons, and she has a mass of 9 kilograms. How much is the space dog accelerating? Scholars always persevere. No matter the circumstance or the situation, we will work hard, stay dedicated, and strive for excellence. So that